guys, welcome back to my channel, Mia's Made. My name is Mia. If this is your first time here, before you leave today, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so that you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to see more videos on my Paul Mitchell the School journey, please hit this card right here and then you'll be able to see my entire playlist with all of the behind the scenes vlogs and everything like that. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my kit. This thing is heavy, so here we go. Okay. It's heavy. So it has a little bumblebee on it. My sister hand drew this, and there's like honeycombs and stuff on the sides. Okay, that's my kit. I'm gonna also show you guys what I got in like everything, okay, except for my makeup kit today. So first thing I'm gonna start off with is this bag that they gave us. It's cute. It just came with a bunch of products. So we got the hot off the press. If you're a Paul Mitchell product lover, you would know what this is. We got the Invisible Wear Orbit Hairspray. We got Invisible Wear Boomerang Restyling Mist. Love this stuff. Didn't think I would like it because of the consistency, but this is the Neuro Style Primer, Blowout Primer. It is really nice and it makes your drying time much shorter. I actually used it today for the first time, so I did see the difference. And the Invisible Wear Pump Me Up, texturizing, volumizing, something. Those are all of the products that we got. Next thing I'm going to show you is my school bag. This is my bag that they gave us. It's cute. I have some stickers from when John Mosley came. So in this bag, I'm just going to show you everything that I have in here. Everybody's different, you know, so this is what I have. The first thing is my agenda book that I use every single day. Without it, I would be a mess. So my agenda book and my notebook, it's really plain, but this is just where like I keep all of my notes and worksheets that we have to do and stuff. So this folder, it just has more, and this is more of like my important papers that I don't want to lose type of deal. They gave us some books. This is the blonding book, so it's like stuff. Oh my gosh, I ruined it. Color formula book. So this one's about like permanent hair color and stuff. It's got it all in there, okay? Like they got us right. Semi-permanent Pop XG, which is like the vibrant colors. The makeup portfolio. So I haven't actually used this one yet because we're currently in our makeup week. So there's that. This is our product guide workbook. So it just has everything about each product, what they're used for, all of that. So my pencil pouch. This is from the Curl Fest. It's an Auntie Jackie's little bag, but I just use it as my pencil pouch. So I got sticky notes, my AirPods, and pens and highlighters in there. My tripod and my camera that I vlog on at school. This is my iPad. I just have it in this cute little yellow cover. And well, my pencil's not in here, but it usually has my Apple Pencil in here. We just take notes on here and all kinds of stuff. This is the 7th generation. 2 girls in my class got the 6th generation. Everybody else got the 7th generation, so love that. And then I keep like chapstick in my bag, and this is from Supercuts, so shout out to them. Thank you. Oh, hold on, there's one more thing. Hand sanitizer. Now for the part that you all have been waiting for. What is inside of this big black box? I'm going to show you guys what came with the kit and what I personally added to my kit. So they give you like the basics, but there's room for improvement, okay? There's room for growth. When you open it up, so I just have a bunch of clips here, like these alligator clips. These all I added to the kit. They gave us 10 of these little duckbill clips. They're okay. They just weren't holding it down for me. This little part comes out and it holds my combs and brushes. Most of my brushes and bigger combs are here. And then like my cutting combs, those clips, some other clips that I got that I don't like. A few mini products. I'll show you guys exactly what they gave me. 2 round brushes that need to be cleaned. Everything needs to be sanitized, but it's okay. I got this big paddle brush that I personally haven't really used yet. Ow, okay. We got this, I don't know what it's called. Oh, sculpting brush. We use this a lot to like blow dry and stuff. So we got, this is called the scalp brush. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's black. That is the scalp brush. This is the styling brush. Once again, it's black. I got a shampoo comb. My name is on this one because I actually lost it once. We got a rat tail comb with the steel end. And then in this part, I've got the two products in there. This is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and this is like a mini of the blow dry primer. My 3 cutting combs. I use this one the most, the absolute most. I rarely use these. The teeth are just really wide on these. I don't know if y'all can see that. But the teeth are super wide on these. And then on this one, it's more normal, if that makes sense. So I like this one. And no, it's not missing a tooth. It's like that for parting. So we always like, excuse me, y'all gave us broken combs. No, they didn't. And then we got this, what is this called? I don't remember. It's like a little razor to like, so there's that. Haven't used it yet. This comb, number 109. I don't know what it's called, but we got this comb. Just a bunch of clips. So there's that tray. So inside of the box, y'all, I'm just gonna pull it out as I go, okay? First thing I have is Cassie. We get 2 of these babies in core, and then I'll get 2 more when I get to Protege. So I'm still in core right now, but this is one of my babies. We did men's cutting, so I had to cut all her hair off, but she's cute. Her hair is horrible, but we love Cassie. She's our baby. This is my wet styling cape for like shampooing and stuff. And then my dry styling cape for like cutting and styling hair. So we got a smoothing iron. This is the Express Ion Smooth Plus. So this thing gets really hot extremely fast. I personally don't use it on myself, but I do use it on my baby and my classmates when I did her hair. So okay, this is the blow dryer that it came with. Pretty standard. It's just a blow dryer. So it comes with this attachment. It also comes with a diffuser. So that's the blow dryer that it came with. I got a different one that is a lot better, and it looks prettier and it's more professional. So this is the Neuro blow dryer. It has no handle on it, which is so cool. Extremely lightweight, and you just go, okay? It's pretty dope. I really like it. At first when they were like, the handleless blow dryer is so awesome, I was like, how the heck are you gonna use a handleless blow dryer? Well, in the salon, they usually hold it like this anyways. This is just in the way. So this cut down my drying time, and it just works so well, and it looks nice, and it took up a lot less space in my kit. So love this. It's the Neuro. It's amazing. I love it. It came with a diffuser. This is my diffuser, and it's collapsible, so that makes it even better, just saving all the space. Next is this Marcel curling iron. So it turns like this and you curl the hair. So there is one thing that I forgot to grab to put in here to show you guys, but it was a standard metal water bottle. I'll insert a picture here. This was the standard water bottle. It squirts water everywhere. It kind of leaks, and it just wasn't great. So I got this one misting water bottle. I don't know the exact name, but it's awesome. It's a mist, and it's pretty dope. I really like it. Oh snap, there's another comb in here that I need to put in the comb spot. Next is this little spatula. It's apparently used for like balayage and stuff. I haven't used it yet. Don't know how to use it. It looks like it's supposed to cover my face when like taking pictures of clients. I don't know what this is for, but we have it and I keep it in my kit, so yeah. Next thing is my clippers. So we got the Wall clippers. I kind of wanted Andis, but I heard Wall and Andis are like Nikon and Canon, so they're neck for neck. It comes with a lot of stuff, so all this stuff is in there. The cutting comb that we use to some guards, a lot of guards. There's a whole bunch of guards, but here's some guards. A little brush to clean it. And then I have my trimmers. Get that fresh line up, you know what I'm saying? And my actual clippers. They're really heavy. The vibration on these are so annoying. It's like a very powerful vibration. I don't personally like it, but these are the Wall Legend clippers. So next is my pocket guide color book. It's just got like some swatches in it. If you can see that. And then I got this cute little manicure kit. I put my name on it. It's just a little manicure kit. The basic essentials, you know. And last but not least, my favorite thing, my shears. Yay. These are our shears. It comes with 2 pairs of shears. These are like the texturizing shears. Some Paul Mitchell band-aids, which are super cute. I haven't cut myself yet, knock on wood. Lord save me, like I'm not trying to get cut. Some of my classmates have really sliced and diced their fingers. One girl actually, not in my class, but she was on the floor cutting hair and cut the top of her hand, and she ended up like cutting a nerve or something, so she's gotta like, it's bad. And then we got this stuff to oil our shears to keep them up to date. I mean, you know, keep them good. And then this little thing to wipe off the hair. Some other things that I got were a tripod for my mannequin to go on. It's big, it's in my car, didn't want to bring it in. Google what a tripod looks like, that's what it is. And we got another Cassie doll that I also didn't bring. She's actually at school in my locker. But yeah guys, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This one was highly requested. I'm really glad that I got to film this video. I know that when I was looking into going to this school, that was one of the first things I was like, I need to see what's in this kit. Like, oh my gosh. We got some really great products, some great tools. Just really grateful for this opportunity and so blessed that I am able to go to such an amazing school, the Harvard of hair school. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned for my makeup kit and everything that came in that, as well as I think my manicure kit is coming. So just stay tuned. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this journey, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, I forgot to say something. Hi. Guys, I made an Instagram for my hair journey. So, well, for my school Paul Mitchell journey. So go follow my Instagram at Mia's_Main. Okay, Mia's Main on Instagram. Go follow me. Also, that's it. Okay, bye. Go follow my Instagram at Mia's Main. Woo! Okay, gotta go. I really gotta go.